Alright guys, today I'm here with the Action Lab, Jimmy Joe. Hello. Dr. Jimmy Joe. Today we're going to show you 5 things you didn't know you could do with slime.
Do it.
Let's go.
Do you enjoy drinking water out of a bottle, but have clumsy fingers and always dropping the cap? Just keep a small portion of slime by your side, place on top of the bottle, and you've got an instant makeshift cap you can drop as much as you like. Do you get tired in the middle of the day and try laying down on cold tile, but just can't seem to get comfortable? With a few extra pounds of slime, you can rest easy just about anywhere. Thanks, slime. Do you live every day in fear, afraid of what your children will be exposed to? All you need is one other adult and a few pounds of slime. Simply wave up in the air, and you've got a literal bubble you can keep your children inside of. Do you enjoy talking on the phone, but your clumsy fingers keep dropping it? Living in fear that on your next drop you will crack your screen. Don't let your clumsy fingers ruin your day. With just a little bit of slime, you can surround your phone, and you can talk with ease knowing the next time you drop your phone, it'll be just fine. Do you love playing rock, paper, scissors? Do you get too competitive and take it just a little too far? Just keep some slime in a Ziploc bag inside your freezer. Apply the slime to the break. You'll be ready to play rock, paper, scissors in no time. Thanks, slime.
Alright, there you have it. 5 things you didn't know you could do with slime. Thanks again, Jimmy Joe from the Action Lab. Go check out his channel. He actually knows things, so I fully recommend it.
If you like knowing stuff and seeing stuff, go check out my channel.
You'll be in the right place.
If you like just entertainment, stay here.